Good morning students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class we are going to start our new topic from page number 97. Finding the square of a number. We are going to find the square of particular number. So there are many ways to find the square of a number. Those ways we are going to discuss in this class. Okay children? I hope you all have taken page number 97. Okay, finding the square of a number. Usually how you will find the square of a number? For example, if it is 3 square, what you will do? 3 into 3, right? 3 3s are 9. Usually you will be doing like this, right? So if it is a 15 square, what you will do? 15 into 15. So you will multiply it, right? 15 into 15. 5 5s are 25, 75, 5, 1, 5, 12, 1, 225. So 15 into 15 is what? 225. So this is how usually you will find the square of a particular number. But now there is a method which we are going to see now. Okay, there is some different method. So 15 how you will write children? 15 how you will write? 10 plus 5, is it? Easy way of writing 15 is 10 plus 5. Because others all, it is like 10 plus 15 means it will be very easy. So, others sometimes 8 plus 7 also you can write. But 8 is also some complicated number. 7 is also some complicated number. But when it comes to 10, it will be very easy for us multiplication. That's why I am taking that 15 as 10 plus 5. So, if it is a 15 square, what you will do? 10 plus 15 the whole square. Okay, listen. If it is 15 square, now this whole thing square. Not 10 square, 5 square. It is, you should not write like that. It is different. Okay. 15 square, now the 15 at 10 plus 5 you are writing. So, that thing, the whole square. Okay. So, listen. So, so if it is whole square, now how you will write? 10 plus 5 into 10 plus 5. Is it? 3 square na? 3 into 3. So, 10 plus 5 the whole square means 10 plus 5 into 10 plus 5. You know this multiplication like this. This number with these two numbers. This number and these two numbers you will multiply, right? Last year. 10 tens are 100 plus 10 into 5, 50 plus 5 tens are 50 plus 5 5s are 25. Listen children, it is very easy. Listen, what I am just doing is, I am multiplying this 10 with these two numbers. 10 into 10, 100. 10 into 5, 50. Next I am multiplying this 5 with these two numbers. 5 into 10, 50. 5 5s are 25. Did you understand? First you take a number from this and multiply with these two numbers and write it. Next you take the next number, multiply with these numbers and write it. Now, what you will do? 100 plus 50, 150. 150 plus 50, 200. 200 plus 25, 225. So, this is one of the method to find the answer. See, 225, 15 square I got 225, 15 square I got 225. So, there are two different methods. Since it is a 15 square, it is very easy for multiplication. I have done the multiplication. But when it comes to very large number, this will be easy. Okay, so you can separate like this, whole square, then two numbers multiplication, then from one number I am multiplying with these two numbers, the second number with these two numbers, then adding all the numbers. Okay, this is how I am getting the answer of a square of a number. Understood children? In the same page, you will be having an example number 1. Find the square of the following numbers without actual multiplication. So, you should not multiply them directly, but what you should do now, you should find the square. So, what method we have learned now? 39, how you will separate it? 30 plus 9. Okay. So, 39, how you have separated? 30 plus 9. So, actually what you should find? You should find 39 square. Okay. So, 30 plus 9 the whole square. Okay, 39 square means 30 plus 9 the whole square, correct? Because 39 value is 30 plus 9. So if it is square now, this whole thing the whole square. So how we will separate it? 30 plus 9 into 30 plus 9. So what you will do now? You will multiply this 30 with this 30, then 30 with 9. Then 9 with 30, then 9 with 9. Okay, now 30 into 30, 900 plus 30 into 9, 270 plus 9 into 30, 270 plus 9 nines are 81. So listen, what I have done now, 30 into 30, 900. Next, 30 into 9, 270 plus 9 into 30, 270 plus 9 nines are 81. Now you can add all the values. 900, 270, 270, 81. 1, 14, 22, 6, 15, 1, 5, 2, 1. What is the answer you are getting? 1521. So 1521 is the square value for the value 39. So you can multiply it and see for the checking purposes. 39 into 39 you will get 1521. Okay children. Next is 42. Okay. So 42, what you will do children? How we will separate it? 40 plus 2. Is it? So if it is 42 whole square now, 40 plus 2 the whole square. 42 square means what? 40 plus 2 the whole square. So how we will write it? 40 plus 2 into 40 plus 2. You can write, without writing this into also you can write it, because bracket means it is a multiplication. So you can write like this also. See, 40 plus 2 into 40 plus 2, like this also you can write it. Without writing this multiplication also you can write it, because bracket means it is a multiplication. 40 into 40 first, then 40 into 2, then 2 into 40, then 2 into 2. Okay, so 40 into 40, 4 4 is 16, 1600 plus 40 into 2, 80 plus 2 into 40, 80 plus 2 2s are 4. Now what is our task? We have to add all the 4 numbers. 1600, 80, 84. 4, 8, 8, 16, 1, 7, 1. Answer is 1764. The answer is what? 1764. Just as usual, if they ask you find the square without any actual multiplication, you should do like this. Okay children? Next topic is other patterns in squares. So what are the other fact which you are going to learn in the squares that we are going to discuss today? See, in the blue box, right side you will find one blue box. In that they have given, consider a number with unit digit 5. Unit digit means what? Last digit. Okay, last digit should be 5. So we are going to take this 15. Okay, so I'm going to take a number 15. In this, the unit digit is 5. Okay, we are going to take one unit digit. We are going to take one number. In that, unit digit is 5. That is A5. They are saying A5. A is nothing but here 1. 5 is 5. Appa A5 is one digit number. In that, unit digit is 5. So A5 is nothing but here 15. So A is what here? 1. Okay, so A15 square, A5 square means nothing but 15 square here. Okay, A5 square means what children? 15 square, because here instead of A, 1 is there, 5 is there. That's all. So we are going to take one 2-digit number, the whole square, where our last digit is 5. Like that we should take a 1 2-digit number. So listen, so what is the A here? 1. Up instead of A, 1 into 1 plus 1, 100. Okay, plus 25. This is your formula. Like a formula, you should keep it in your mind. So 1 plus 1, 2. 100 plus 25. As usual, just solving alone you are doing. 1 2s are bracket means what? Multiplication only, no? 1 2s are 2 hundreds plus 25. 2 hundreds, how you will write? 200 plus 25. 200 plus 25? 225. So what is our 15 square, children? 225. This is how you are finding some other patterns in this square numbers. You can find, you can take any number, no problem. I'll take any. You can think about some number with 5. 135. So here what is the A, children? 135 is a number with unit digit 5. Is it correct? Yes. So what is the A here? A is 13. Okay, appo 13 into 13 plus 1, hundreds, plus 25. This is your formula, right? Because A into A plus 1. Appo A is 13, A plus 1, hundreds plus 25. So 13 into 14, hundreds, plus 25. Is it 13 into 13 plus 1 what? 14. So 13 into 14 is what, children? You have to multiply it. 4 3s are 12, 1, 5, 3, 1, 2, 8, 1. So 182 hundreds plus 25. 182 hundreds 25. 182 hundred is what? 18200 plus 25. So what is the answer? 18225. So what is our 135 square, children? 18,225. Just keep it in your mind. A5 the whole square is equal to, except 5, what and all digit is there, that all you should take it as A. Okay, don't forget, except 5, what are all the numbers is there, that you should take it as A. A into A plus 1, hundreds, plus 25. A into A plus 1, hundreds, plus 25 is the formula. Just substitute the value of A and you just at last you multiply with 100 plus 25. You will get the answer of the value which you are asking. So it is easy, but this is possible only when the last digit is 5. Okay, just keep it in your mind. This is possible only when the last digit is 5. Okay. See, next topic which you are going to learn is Pythagorean triplet. What is meant by a pair? Actually, A comma B. If it is given like this, it is a pair, which means only 2 values will be there. If it is A comma B comma C, then it is a triplet. Okay, triplet means what? 3 numbers will be there. So what is the condition of the Pythagorean triplet is, when you square 2 values and add it. If you are squaring one number and another number and adding these 2 numbers, you will get one answer, no? That is also one square number. Okay, I am squaring one number, children, and I am squaring another one number. Then I am adding those 2 values. Answer you will get, no? That answer will also be a square. For example, 3 square plus 4 square is 3 3s are 9 plus 4 4s are 16. 9 plus 16 is what? 25. 25 is actually what? 5 square. Is it? So, I am squaring 2 numbers and I am adding, which I am getting the answer as 5 square. So, now what we are saying that 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplet. Okay, what you are saying that these numbers as Pythagorean triplet. So likewise we can find many numbers in that example. 6, 8, 10. That is also a Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so you can work out those also and see. Like 5, 12, 13 is also a triplet. Okay. Next is your next I will give you the general term for this Pythagorean triplet. Okay. So when I am taking any natural number m greater than 1. Okay, I am taking a natural number m which will be greater than 1. So how that Pythagorean triplet will be means 2m the whole square plus m square minus 1 the whole square equal to m square plus 1 the whole square. So we will say 2m m square minus 1 m square plus 1 as Pythagorean triplet. Okay, Pythagorean triplet. Listen, children. See, I am taking a natural number m. Okay, any natural numbers. Now I will take a natural number we can let us take one natural number as 2. Okay, I'll take 2 as one natural number, children. So if you substitute in this m as 2, okay, I'm taking m as 2. Actually 2 is greater than 1, correct? Yes, so I'm going to take one m which is 2. So if I substitute here, 2m means 2 2s are 4 square plus m square means what? 2 square minus 1 the whole square. Okay, m square, m is 2, but 2 square minus 1 the whole square. 4 4s are 16 minus, sorry, plus, okay, 4 4s are 16 plus 2 2s are 4 minus 1 the whole square. 16 plus 4 minus 1 is 3 square. 16 plus 3 3s are 9. So 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 is what actually? 25 is answer which you are getting after doing this. Yeah, 2m square plus m square minus 1 the whole square. Whether you are getting this 25 as m square plus 1 the whole square. What is m square plus 1 the whole square, children? M is what? 2. 2 square plus 1 the whole square. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1 the whole square. 4 plus 1 5 square. 5 square is 25. So this is also you are getting as 25. This answer also you are getting as 25. So what is the equation to find a Pythagorean triplet? 2m the whole square plus m square minus 1 the whole square is equal to m square plus 1 the whole square. The square is common for both m square and 1. Square is common for both m square and minus 1. So this is what the equation which we will be following for the Pythagorean triplet. Okay, don't forget, children. Just this is the equation for finding the Pythagorean triplet. So always you should take the m value greater than 1. So I have taken the m value as 2 because 2 is greater than 1. No, you can take 2, 3, 4, 5, any value. Just substitute 2 into m. But m oda value 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 square plus m value is 2. 2 square minus 1 the whole square. Don't forget the square. 4 square 16. 4 4s are 16 plus 2 square. 2 2s are 4 minus 1 the whole square. 4 minus 1 3. 3 square. 3 3s are 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. I found the answer for this. Now m square plus 1 the whole square. M is what? 2. 2 square plus 1 the whole square. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 square is 25. So both the answers you got the value as 25. So what are the Pythagorean triplet, children? 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1 are all Pythagorean triplet. Understood? This is the keyword. Example number 2. Okay, what is the example, children? Write a Pythagorean triplet whose smallest member is 8. Okay, we have to find the Pythagorean triplet. What is the general form of Pythagorean triplet, children? 2m the whole square plus m square minus 1 the whole square is equal to m square plus 1 the whole square. If this is satisfied, what are the Pythagorean triplet values? 2m comma m square minus 1 comma m square plus 1. Okay, so these are the values of the Pythagorean triplet. Okay, if this condition is satisfied, then these are the Pythagorean triplet. So they are saying in this triplet, any one of the value is smallest member. So that smallest member is 8. Okay, they are saying, children, the smallest member is 8. So for example, if you can, in previous things we have found the Pythagorean triplet, right? So in that what are the numbers we have found that as Pythagorean triplet? 3, 4, 5 as Pythagorean triplets, right? So in this 3 is the smallest. Likewise, I am taking 3 things. In that 8 is one of the smallest number. Remaining 2 numbers we have to find it. Okay, in your previous problem 3, 4, 5 is the numbers. In that we know 3 as the smallest number. Likewise 8, dash, dash. Here 8 is the smallest which we got. So we have to find the remaining 2. Okay, so I am just taking actually any one of this value will be 8. Okay, so I am first taking, in the example problem they have done like this, I am taking this value as 8. Okay, this value as 8. These two numbers we should find. Okay, if it is 8 now, m square is equal to 8 plus 1. M square is equal to 9. Appa m is equal to 3. Okay, if it is m square is equal to 9, then m square is equal to 3 square. 9 how we am writing? 3 square. Appa m is equal to 3. Okay, so listen, I got the value of m now. But m square minus 1 value is what? 8. I have taken it as 8. So I got the value of m. So shall I substitute this m here? So I will find this. If I substitute m here, I will find this. So now 2m is equal to 2 into m value is 3. 2 3s are 6. So what is the 2m value? 6. Next, m square plus 1. Next is what I have to find? M square plus 1. M square is what? 3 square plus 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. So what are the triplet value? First value 2m. 2m oda value is 6. Next, m square minus 1 is what? 8. Next, m square plus 1 value is 10. Okay, but I told you 8 is the smallest number, but here 6 is the smallest number. So our assumption by taking m square minus 1 is equal to 8 is wrong. Okay, listen children, I have taken this as 8. Remaining 2 I have found it. 2m oda value 6, m square plus 1 value 10. But I told you this value should be the least value, but it is wrong. 2m is least value, which we got from this statement. 2m is the least value. So what you are doing, our assumption which we done here is wrong. That is what they have done in your example problem. So smallest member is what actually? 2m. Upper first value is the smallest, next smallest, next like that. Okay, so 2m is what now? 8. By m is equal to 8 by 2. M value is what? 4. Now I got the value of 4. So 2m value is 8 now. So m square minus 1 I should find it. M square plus 1 I should find it. Why we are finding this like this? Because this assumption is wrong. That's why we are going to the next assumption by taking 2m is equal to 8. Appa m is equal to 4. Next value, m square minus 1 is equal to what? 4 square minus 1. M is 4. 4 square minus 1. 4 4s is 16 minus 1. So m square minus 1 value is 16 minus 1 is 15. So m square minus 1 value is what children? 15. Next value what we have to find? M square plus 1. 4 square plus 1. 4 4s are 16 plus 1. 17. Upper m square plus 1 value is what? 17. So what are the triplets now? 2m comma m square minus 1 comma m square plus 1. So what are the Pythagorean triplets children? 2m value is 8. M square minus 1 value is 15. M square plus 1 is 17. So these three values are Pythagorean triplet. Always you take the smallest number as 2m. You compare that smallest number with this 2m, then find the value of m. Using that m, substitute here, you will find the triplet. Understood children? Your example number 3 is your homework. See, in that they given find the Pythagorean triplet in which one member is 12. Okay, they have given one member is 12. So you can take any one member. You can take m, 2m is equal to 12 or m square minus 1 is 12. You can check it. M square plus 1 is 12. If this is a correct statement follows, then you can find the Pythagorean triplet. Okay children? Today's class we have found how to do the square of a number using different methods. Then the basic thing which we concentrate in this class is Pythagorean triplet, which is a different concept. I have explained you the example problems. Then example 3 is your homework. I hope you all understood children. Thank you.